Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be talking about the new copyright feature in CapCut. So let's say if you want to export your video, you have this option to export, and when you click on that, you can see now we have this option to run a copyright check, and you can simply enable this. And once you do that, it is saying that you should have an audio into your video. So we are going to be quickly adding an audio onto our video, and now we're going to be exporting it again. Here, as you can see, when I check this, it says that video needs to be at least 1 minute long. And now when I click on copyright check, it is just processing. Just wait for a couple of moments until it processes, and it will be gradually checking your entire video. And now it's saying that sound copyright check passed, which means your audio is completely royalty free to use and you can upload it anywhere. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.